I have not seen any other formula in Pakistan that has all the ingredients that have proven by science to bring about longevity, that is, prolong your life, slow down degeneration, which might be due to a chronic disease, and stop diseases before they even happen. So in this video, first we will formulate this longevity formula, then I'll tell you who should take this and how should you take it. So watch the video till the end. And if you want to watch more such unique videos, do subscribe to our channel. Because we share everything that is related to your health that can make your life better and healthier. So now the question arises, what actually is age? Basically, when you are born, your birth certificate is made. And from that birth certificate, we count the number of years or days or months and that is your chronological age. But while we are progressing in our chronological age, something is happening in our cells. And that is called biological age. Each and every cell has a set of chromosomes, as you all know. And each chromosomes are basically like fingers. And on these fingers or chromosomes, there is a covering that is called a telomere. This telomere is very long when a person is born, and as they age, the telomere gets short. So basically, your biological age is calculated by the length of telomeres. And nowadays, this can be done by genetic testing. There are numerous videos on the internet. I will leave the links to all these videos in the description box below, where people have used this longevity formula and their biological age reversed. Basically, they are aging backwards. I myself have been taking this longevity formula for more than 2 years and my chronological age is 42. But my biological age is
25, and these are the list of ingredients which are scientifically proven to cause longevity, and they are not cheap or easy to source. But health is wealth, and we cannot buy health or youth with any amount of money.
And although I accept that aging is just not dependent on whether you take longevity formula ingredients or not, it is also dependent on what you eat, how you eat, when you sleep, your lifestyle, your anxiety levels, your pollution level, what you breathe in, your movement and all these things. But the ingredients in this longevity formula play a crucial role in all these things.
So our first ingredient is calcium alpha ketoglutarate, which is a compound that extends lifespan and health span in different species. In humans, it protects the cells against damage and stressors and supports a healthy metabolism and maintains a proper epigenome, which is essential for gene regulation. So I'll be mixing all these longevity ingredients in front of you. The next ingredient is L-theanine. Theanine is found in green tea, which has been shown to extend lifespan in different organisms. It increases the production of protective proteins like FOXO1 and antioxidative enzymes, thus helping the body manage cross-links that can lead to tissue stiffness and aging. So as you can see, each of these longevity ingredients prolongs life by a different mechanism. Thirdly, in our longevity formula, we have an amino acid called glycine. This amino acid has demonstrated that it extends lifespan in various species. In humans, higher glycine levels are associated with improved heart health and reduced cellular inflammation and a better glucose metabolism. By supporting these vital functions, glycine contributes significantly to longevity. And I am very sure you must have already heard of the fourth ingredient of our longevity formula, which is hyaluronic acid. It is renowned for its skin benefits. So let me know in the comment section below, have you also been using hyaluronic acid for your skin problems? And did you know if you take it orally, that is by mouth, it will reduce the appearance of wrinkles? That is also scientifically proven. Additionally, components of hyaluronic acid like acetylglucosamine have been shown to extend lifespan in animals, contributing to overall longevity. Next in our longevity formula is fisetin, which is a potent antioxidant that has demonstrated lifespan extension in animals. It aids the body in managing senescent cells and combats inflammaging, a chronic low-grade inflammation at cellular level that happens with age. And so it promotes healthy aging. Next in our longevity formula, we have magnesium malate, a combination of magnesium and malic acid. Magnesium is crucial for numerous biochemical reactions, including energy production and muscle function. Malate, naturally found in apples, has been shown to extend lifespan in organisms and supports healthy energy levels in humans. Together, they combat fatigue and enhance vitality. So, for people looking for supplementing magnesium, this is one of the best magnesium salts available out there, although it's pricey. Next in our longevity formula is pterostilbene, which is a natural compound found in blueberries. It is better absorbed and lasts longer in the body than resveratrol, which you must have heard of, because it targets cellular inflammation, contributes to a healthy epigenome, and ensures DNA stability, all of which are crucial for longevity. So, although it is much better than resveratrol, but I am very sure you must not have heard about it because it is expensive. Companies cannot make a lot of profit selling expensive things. Anyway, the next component of our longevity formula is Rhodiola rosea, which is an adaptogen that extends lifespan in various species. And it is also a part of our adaptogenic blend which we use for anxiety and depression. Rhodiola has active compounds like celeidrosides, which support nerve regeneration and regulate important longevity pathways like sirtuins and AMPK. Next in our longevity formula is glucosamine. Glucosamine sulfate is well known for supporting joint health, but it also plays a role in longevity. It helps lower aging related low grade inflammation, mimics calorie restriction benefits, and induces the formation of new mitochondria, enhancing cellular energy production. And finally, in our longevity formula, I am adding stevia, because all these components that we added in this longevity formula are super healthy, but they are not super tasty. But as a doctor, let me tell you, anyone with a chronic disease, a disease that is going on for a long time, like autoimmune diseases, any nerve degeneration diseases, or anything like rheumatoid arthritis or diabetes, then anything that is going on for a long time is actually creating long-term inflammation, which is eating up your body. So if you are already sick, inflammation is going on at a high speed for you. And I'm not claiming that this longevity formula is gonna stop death for you. But if you take this longevity formula daily, it is certainly gonna slow down the disease progression. And never take any supplement without the direction of your doctor. And since the recommended dose of all these ingredients per day is 14 grams, that comes out to be about 420 grams per month, we give the longevity formula in packets like these, which are enough for a month. And even if you are not suffering from any disease and you enjoy a very good health, these supplements are a very good addition to stop any and all diseases and increase your vitality and energy.
So as you have seen, these are the ingredients which are scientifically proven to prolong your life, and we have added all these in this longevity formula. So this longevity formula, we have to take about 14 grams each day, which is about a tablespoonful. So personally, I take a spoonful, put it in my mouth, and I drink water or tea or juice, whatever. You can also mix it in your tea or water or milk, whatever you want. And it's not tasting bad at all because it has stevia in it. And people who want to lose weight or are diabetic can also take it without any worries. So let me know in the comment section below. Are you using any of these ingredients or all of these ingredients? Live long, be healthy, take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.